treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, rear parking sensors, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.